probably you are looking at it internationally. You have to map it, MAP. You have to align it. Whatever kind of solution. Of course, you cannot do it on your own.
About motivation. And what's your motivation for pursuing career in social entrepreneurship? Like, can you share about